Good morning. I am Hina Shah, your maths teacher. Now, my WhatsApp number is 9428152899. If you have any doubt, then you ask me on my WhatsApp number. We start example number 9. Example number 6. Express 3.14268 in the form P upon Q. This number is in the decimal form. Convert into P upon Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. We are given decimal form and convert into P upon Q form. In previous lecture, we convert rational number into decimal form. We have 3.1428. Now, how many digits after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, first we write all digits 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 8 upon 5 digits are after decimal points. Therefore, 314268 divide by 1000005 zeros. Therefore, 1 lakhs is our rational number. This number is terminating number because it is not repeating number. In previous lecture, we learned terminating number, non-terminating number. Which number is called terminating number? The number whose remainder becomes 0. Then it is called terminating number. Remainder never becomes 0 and number repeat on and on. Then it is a non-terminating repeating number. Now do extra sums. 6.1439 convert into this decimal form, convert into P upon Q form as follows. Therefore, 61439 divide by how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. 61439 divide by 10,000. Here 0.0001 and 345.6. These two sums in your notebook for practice. Do it in your notebook. Now, example number 7. Show that 0.333, this number is repeating number, is equals to denoted by 0.3 bar, can be expressed in the form P upon Q. This number in example 6, this number is terminating number. In example 7, the number is non-terminating, repeating number 0.333. It's denoted into P upon Q form. The most important sum. Let x is equals to, suppose we assume x is equals to 0.3 bar. Implies it is written as x is equals to 0.3333 and so on. Now we multiply both sides by 10. Then this decimal points turns to right side. 10x is equals to 3 point. The number digit comes again 3.3333 and so on. In this sum, we remember that after decimal the digits are same, then we subtracted this number from number. Here x is equal to 0.333 and 10x is equal to 3.333. Both remain both decimal points after digits. Decimal points digits after decimal points 0.333, 0.333. Then we subtract x from 10x. Then we write 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.333 as it is, and or other method 10x is equal to 10x minus x is equal to 3.333 minus x. X is equal to 0.333. 10x minus x, 9x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 upon 9. X is equal to 1 upon 3. This method. Otherwise, you do this method. 10x is equal to splitting it 3 plus 0.333. Then 10x is equal to 3 plus what is the value of 0.333? It is the value of x. 3 plus x. 10x, x is 1. Therefore, 10x minus x is equal to 3. 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 3. Implies x is equal to 3 upon 9. X is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to 0.3 bar is equal to 1 upon 3, which is our answer. Therefore, 0.3 bar convert into P upon Q form is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, again, 0.3 bar convert into P upon Q form. First, we write x is equal to 0.3 bar, x is equal to 0.333. Now multiply both sides by 10. 10x is equal to, this is not necessary for write. Orally we calculated 10x is equal to 3.333. 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.333. 10x is equal to 3 plus x. So simplify x and we get x is equal to 1 upon 3. Or other method. Here we write 10x. Both decimal form are equal. 10x minus x is equal to 3.333 minus 0.333. 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 9. Therefore, we get x is equal to 1 upon 3. So that 1.27, 27, 27 and so on. Its right as is equal to 1.27 bar can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, which is our necessary condition for rational number. P and Q are integers and denominator is not equal to 0. Now in this sum, for solution let x is equal to 1.27 pi. Here write x is equal to 1 point. Which number repeated? 27. 27, 27, 27 and so on. First we multiply both sides by 10. Don't write here both sides multiplied by 10. We orally calculate and write it 10x is equal to, this digit is comes again 1.2.72 here. This number is comes left side 12.72727. Now our decimal points are not equal. Decimal digits are not equal. So we multiply again 10. 10x into 10, then 100x is equals to 1 to this digit is come here 127 point. Decimal is comes here 272727. Both numbers. Which both numbers have decimal after decimal digits are equal? So both x is equal to 1.2727 and 100x is equal to 127.27. Both decimal after digit is equal. Therefore, subtracting x, 100x minus x is equal to 127.2727. 100x, value of 100x is equal to this, minus value of x. Value of x is equal to 1.2727. Here 100x minus x is equal to 99x. Don't write 100. 100x minus, it's calculate like 1x. 100 minus 1, therefore 99x. 127 minus 1 is equal to 126.2727 is also 0. 99x is equal to 126. X is equal to 126 upon 99. X is equal to 14 nines are 11 nines are. X is equal to 14 upon 11. So our answer 1.27 bar is equal to 14 upon 11. Now understand next example. Example number 9. This method, so that 0.235235, which number repeated? 3 by 35. We can write bar only number 35 is equal to 0.235 bar can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Let x is equal to 0.235 bar. X is equal to which number repeated? 35. We write here x is equal to 0.2353535. This number is repeated. Now calculate, it is by 10, both sides. 10x is equal to 2.353535. Both numbers decimal digits after decimal digits are not equal. Here 235 and here 3535. Now again it is multiplied by 10. 100x is equal to 23.5353. Because our decimal is comes here 23.535353. Not equal, decimal after point, decimal point digit are not equal. Therefore, it is multiplied again by 10. 1000x is equal to 235.353535. Here 353535 and here 353535. Both digits are equal after decimal. Therefore, we subtracted 1000x minus 10x is equal to 235.3535 minus 10x. Value of 10x is equal to 2.353535. 1000x minus 10x is equal to 990x is equal to 235 minus 2, 233.35. All our values are zeros. Therefore, x is equal to 233 upon 990. Therefore, 0.235 bar is equal to 233 upon 990. We do other sum in next lecture.